Hey guys, how are you? My name is João Zorro. Welcome to this video. So today I just wanted to show you that I am earning more than $225 per day during the coronavirus lockdown. Okay, so you see here my stats, and I'm doing this with print on demand. Okay, so you see here that this is the custom period that you see here. It's it's month to date, so it's the 1st of April to the 22nd of April, and this is my profit. So 4,627 euros. So if I go here, and let me put here the value in euros, this is 4,991 euros, so just a bit shy of 5,000 euros. Let me divide this by 22, and it's $226.88. Okay, so this shows that you can earn money even during these hard times. Okay, and why? Because with lockdowns, people are at home, right? And they are using their mobiles much more. They are using their laptops, and they just see more ads, and ads are much more cheaper than they were before, because there are a lot of companies that they just stopped advertising. And I just posted a video a few days ago about a news that said that Facebook decreased their costs in 20%, and that's the reality. So you are getting cheaper ads and you are getting higher ROIs. Okay, so with print on demand, I would like just to remind you the basic steps of print on demand, of the print on demand business. Okay, so it all starts with niche research. Okay, and here what I advise is look for niches where there is passion. So I'm talking about passionate niches. Okay, and think of jobs, think of hobbies, think of things that people really like to do. So I don't know, dogs, cats, pets in general. Okay, and any other niche where there is passion. Okay, some causes as well. So things that make people fight for. Okay, so that's the main advice. So look for passionate niches. Of course, the niche needs to be big enough so that there are enough people that might be interested in buying what you are selling. Okay, but that's the advice. Then the second step is design research. Okay, and here what you can do is you use tools like Amazon, Etsy, and you can also search other marketplaces and look for t-shirts that or designs that had success. And what you do is you model them. So you don't copy them, you model them. And what I mean is you just get that concept, and then if for instance you are looking at a text and illustration based design, what you do is you modify the illustration, and you also slightly modify the text. Okay, and when you do this, you get a unique design, and this is the way to go. So if you copy a design pixel by pixel, you most likely won't have success, and that's not ethical as well. Okay, so try to come up with a unique design, and you can do that by looking at designs that had success, and then you model them. Okay, and then Third phase is to create the design, and you have several options. If you are a designer and if you master Photoshop or Corel or whatever, you can do it yourself. My advice is to outsource it. Okay, you can go to Fiverr or to Upwork or Freelancer or whatever, and you can find very cheap designers that give you high quality designs. Okay, for instance, in my case, I found my designer on Upwork, and she is awesome. Okay, and very cheap. Okay, and that way I can focus on what I do best, which is finding the ideas, so doing niche research and design research, and then also advertising. Okay, and advertising is the next step. Okay, and you can promote your products using free methods and using paid methods. Okay, the problem with free methods is that it will be very slow and very hard. So you see that you are seeing organic reach of Facebook posts and Instagram posts. They are really declining, and even if you have a page with 1 million followers, if you reach like 1% of them today, it will be great with one post. Paid advertising, it's much better, and there's a learning curve, of course. You need to learn the basics. You need to be able to lose money when you start, but in reality, you are not losing money. You are always gathering data. Okay, and people must realize that, because what I see most of the times is that people just invest some money in ads, with Facebook ads, and then after 2 days they are not successful and they just stop. Okay, and that's not the way this works. Okay, so Facebook needs to gather enough data so that it can optimize itself. Okay, and then you just repeat the process. So you go to the first step, second step, you get more designs in the same niche, or you just go into a new niche. Okay, not every design that you create will be a winning design. Okay, so in my experience, I would say that maybe 20 to 30% of the designs are winners. Okay, so this means that out of 10, 2 or 3 will sell. Okay, but the good thing about it is that these 2 or 3 out of 10 designs will really compensate all the others that won't sell enough. Okay, so this is a great business model. By the way, my margins are around 50%, so I spend half of this money with ads. Okay, so my profit is in reality around $2,500 for this period, which is not bad, because I'm just in this particular case, I'm just selling one design that I just scale. Okay, so it's not a lot of work, and I just need to replicate Facebook campaigns and modify minor things. So I'm investing, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes per day. So it's just awesome. Okay, in this particular case, I'm selling baby grows, not t-shirts. Okay, but all of the things that I said before, they apply to t-shirts, to baby grows, to whatever. Okay, baby grows are great because and I have mentioned this before in other videos, because with t-shirts, usually people buy them by impulse. Okay, so you don't have a need, so they buy by impulse, and that's why you need to look for niches where there are passion. Okay, with baby grows, this is important, but there's a need as well. Okay, so babies need to wear baby grows, so their parents, they buy the baby grows. Also, these are available in several sizes, and babies, they grow. Okay, so if parents buy a newborn size and they like the design, they like the material, they like the quality, most likely they will buy more when the baby is 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. Okay, so this is, by the way, a great product. And in this case, I'm using this platform named Motif. Okay, they are awesome. They are always doing contests. And by the way, so on top of this, you see here that I'm going to I have achieved level 2 already. So because it started a month and a half ago, something like that. So I already achieved level 2, which means that I'm going to win an Apple Watch or $500 cash. So on top of this, I will earn $500 as well. Okay. And also because I'm in a different tier, this month I'm also earning more, $126. So in reality, I'm earning a lot more than $225 per day, as I mentioned. Okay, so guys, that's it. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Okay, I make sure to answer all the questions that I get, all the comments. And it's really important to me because that way I can see exactly what are your doubts, and I can make videos with those subjects and and answering those questions. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you.